So good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now guys, let's pay attention to what GBPJPY is actually going to be giving us right for the day. So first, we need to know what the trend is. Second, we have to trade with the trend. Remember, first you need to know where your trend is. Second, you have to trade with the trend. If you take a look at this movement right here on our GBPJPY, it is very clear and it is very simple. We are in an uptrend move. It is very clear and very simple that we are in an uptrend move, right? So this is our, let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is seen as the high, here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Now this is also seen as a massive movement, which is the high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right? Market then did give us this massive high to form an higher high. Then it did give us an higher low right here, which has dropped to form an higher low. So with this movement right here, market is now pushing up. So in the long run, we would expect market to form a new high that will eventually take out this high, right? So in the long run, if you're a position trader, what you want to do is to look to going for the buy or the buy position. Now, when you zoom it in also, we see that there are multiple rejections the market is rejecting from, right? Whereby, there was a time that market literally pushed up, then it dropped to this level. Guess what the market rejected and bounced up. Markets eventually came back again to retest the same level. Markets, guess what, rejected from it and it bounced up, right? Markets eventually came back again to tap this level right here. And guess what? We'll be expecting a rejection from this level and markets would eventually bounce up. So guys, this is to tell you that we will be expecting market to reject from this support level and bounce up. So we will expect market to reject from this support level and bounce up. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. So more movement to the upside. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section also.